Now let's move on to the last portion of this exercise where we are going to read a comprehension first and then we will solve some questions related to that comprehension. Read the passage and answer the questions given at the end. Margaret was wondering what she could do to help. She did not know. Then up came old Stephen from the lanes. "We are finished, Margaret, finished. Those beggars can eat every leaf and blade off the farm in half an hour. And it is only early afternoon. If we can make enough smoke, make enough noise till the sun goes down, they will set in somewhere else perhaps, and then get the kettle going. It's thirsty work, this." Now let's read the questions. The first question is, why did Margaret wonder? The answer is, Margaret wondered that she could not help the servants. The second question is, what did old Stephen say? The answer is, old Stephen said that the locust could eat every leaf and blade off the farm within an hour. All that they could do was to make smoke in the early afternoon and noise until dusk. The last question is, what did he desire? He desired the locusts to leave their fields and settle somewhere else. So here we are done with the last portion of this exercise as well. I hope you have understood all this discussion. We will discuss the exercise of the next chapter in the next video, inshallah. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Allah Hafiz.